Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Chevalier CGP-816. This is a CNC cylindrical grinder. Machine came out of a school, so it was never really used. Its serial number, can't make it out with the light here real well, but it's 2640202. This is all original paint. See the work area, it's all very clean. Should be the original wheel on the grinder. We made a bracket to stiffen up the control because the welds on these things are no good. The two bit separated. We have the coolant tank that's down the other end of the shop at the moment. So we can go up here to the control. We go into product monitor. It's showing, it says 148 start hours, 23 run hours. I have not reset it, but that's the way it came in, so I imagine that's it. So start hours should mean power on hours, because it's counting at them as we speak. And run is just that with the machine running. So we go back to function. You can put the grinding wheel on. There's your grinding wheel running. Now we put, it's touch screen, put the hydraulics on, put the wheel head, wrap it on. Then this, let's see here, this puts the, we can jog the work head with this button on the end of the spindle. Okay, so now we're going to do, the work head came in when we hit the cycle start. So table feeding. You can speed that up. Let's see, I believe this is the, oh, that way's fast. There's the faster feed. Imagine this. I'm not quite sure. Some of these other, oh, that's the in and out speed. Oh, did I just change something here? There we go. That was the dwell time I was playing with. There you have it. So far as programming, I have not read a manual, but is your programming there? It's all touch screen. You want to put a function in, you just hold your finger on it, and then the calculator appears. So there you have it. Check this machine out and more on my website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.